Jack just got this toy 2 days ago. He's peeking into it. He just got this toy. He had no clue what to do with it. It came from Hannah and Richard. But watch him, well, watch him go, folks. Look at that. I would never credit a toy with teaching anyone, but this toy has taught Jack how to put balls into holes and cause and effect. Pathetically enough, I never got around to really showing him how to put the ball in the hole. 9 months, 4 days. Go, Jack, go. Jack! Jack! Hey, Jack! Hi. Are you playing? Are you playing? Get it. Oh. Whoa. You want to eat that ball? Like a champ. Guess he favors that side. Put it in the middle one, buddy. Guide him to the middle one.
There you go. More holes.
Get it. Where did they go? I lost all the balls.
Big hand switch. Here we go.
Do it with your right hand. He likes to put it in that hole that doesn't go anywhere. Okay, let's say bye. Jack.